Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about pyplot in matplotlib. Okay, so most of the matplotlib utilities lies under the pyplot submodule. Okay, and are usually imported under the plot aliases. So here on screen you can see that I have written PLT aliases. Okay, so we have to import with the help of that only, right? So that is how you can plot it. Fine. So import matplotlib pyplot as PLT. That is how you are going to write. PLT you have to write, you have to mention it, then only we will be able to understand that we are writing about the pyplot. Okay. So draw a line and a diagram for a position 0, 0 to position 6 and 250. So you have to create one line, then you will be able to work on it. So for drawing that line, how can we write the code? So first you have to write it import matplotlib, and then you have to write pyplot as PLT, and then import numpy as NP. Okay, and then x points, what all the points that are mentioned that we will mention according to axis and the y axis, and then we have to write it plot x points and the y points. After mentioning all these codes here, you can see on screen it will be the graph will be available there. So that is how this is the format how you need to write. Okay, so this is the basic term you need to understand. I hope you understood. Once you'll just write the x-axis point and y-axis point, you will be able to get those points. So on screen, you can see that both the points are mentioned here and they are aligned according to that only. So that is what we need to do. Okay. So these are the terms. That's all for today's class. Thank you.